In this video, we're covering 25 essential tools that can transform your garage into a more efficient and productive workspace. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, maintaining your vehicle, or organizing your setup, these tools will help you get the job done right. Black Sheep Rear Light Drawer. Black Sheep Innovations, a company based in Zurich, Switzerland, has developed a unique storage solution for pickup trucks. Their new product, called Rear Light Drawers, utilizes the unused space behind the vehicle's taillights. These slide-out compartments run along the truck bed, and while limited slightly by the wheel wells and fuel filler, provide secure, discreet storage for long, narrow items, such as rifles, fishing rods, tools, or camping gear. Pierce Dump Bed Kit. The Pierce Hydraulic Dump Bed Kit transforms standard work trucks into efficient dump trucks. Built by a trusted, family-owned North Texas company with over 30 years of experience, it's relied on nationwide for durability and labor savings. With a 4,000-pound capacity and a 45-degree tilt, it easily handles gravel, debris, and equipment. Its powerful hydraulic system dumps full loads in just 10 seconds, streamlining tough jobs with speed and reliability. Stealth Fighter Rear Bumper and Tyre Carrier. The Stealth Fighter Rear Bumper and Tyre Carrier is a tough, low-profile upgrade for the Jeep Wrangler JL, offering enhanced rear protection while preserving factory features like backup sensors, trailer hitch, and plug bracket. Made from strong plate steel, it installs easily with a bolt-on design. It also includes mounts for rear-facing cube lights and reinforced clevis mounts for 3/4-inch D-rings, boosting both off-road utility and rugged style. TruckGlide. The TruckGlide sliding deck is a heavy-duty American-made truck bed solution designed for strength and convenience. Built from high-quality steel with a durable coated surface, it supports up to 1,500 pounds, perfect for daily, demanding use. Its fully extendable design gives easy access to cargo without climbing into the truck bed. Rugged and reliable, TruckGlide is the ideal upgrade for hardworking truck owners who need efficiency and durability on the job. Loaded Rear Boat Loader. The Loaded Rear Boat Loader is a fully automatic, remote-controlled system that makes loading and unloading your boat quick and effortless. Compatible with trucks, SUVs, campers, and more, it handles boats up to 16 feet and 400 pounds. With the push of a button, it lowers your boat into the water and retrieves it without lifting or strain. Perfect for those with limited mobility. Fast, safe, and easy, rain or shine. VEVOR Water Tank Bladder. The VEVOR Water Tank Bladder is a collapsible, heavy-duty solution for portable or emergency water storage. Measuring 47.2 inches by 31.5 inches by 13.8 inches, it holds up to 87 gallons, ideal for gardening, camping, RVs, or emergencies. Made from 1,000 DPVC, it's puncture-resistant, leak-proof, odorless, and UV-resistant. A wide 1.5-inch opening allows quick filling, while a tough outlet valve ensures steady flow. 4 carry handles and a foldable design make transport and storage easy. Dodge Ram Truck Limo with Hot Tub. The awesome truck and hot tub limousine blends rugged utility with luxury party vibes. This custom-built vehicle features a fully functional hot tub in the truck bed, complete with water jets, LED lighting, and seating for multiple guests. Ideal for parties, events, or making a splash anywhere you go. It's a mobile spa and celebration on wheels, turning every ride into an unforgettable experience of fun and relaxation. Space Campers. Space Campers is a cutting-edge modular camper system designed for the Tesla Cybertruck, blending futuristic design with practical off-grid functionality. Built from aerospace-grade materials, Space Campers transforms the Cybertruck into a sleek, minimalist overland rig, perfect for adventure enthusiasts and tech-forward travelers. Featuring a pop-up wedge design, it offers standing room, a full-size bed, optional kitchen, solar power integration, and even a projector-ready screen for entertainment. MX Hitch Carrier. The MX Hitch Carrier is a heavy-duty hitch-mounted solution designed for transporting motorcycles, dirt bikes, and other gear with ease and security. Built from rugged, high-strength steel or aluminum, it fits standard 2-inch receivers and supports substantial weight, perfect for off-road riders, racers, and weekend adventurers. Featuring an integrated loading ramp, anti-tilt locking device, and multiple tie-down points, the MX Hitch Carrier ensures stable, hassle-free transport. ROELLI X-RACK. The ROELLI X-RACK is a groundbreaking modular transport system that merges the flexibility of a Wallakus with the full utility of a true pickup truck. Swiss-built and engineered, it offers a 3,500 kilogram total weight and up to 1,200 kilogram payload, while retaining Cat B classification and full 4x4 capability. Designed for professionals, its radio-controlled hydraulic system allows effortless, tool-free module loading and unloading by a single operator. Cybertruck Basecamp. The Cybertruck Basecamp is Tesla's official adventure upgrade, turning the Cybertruck into a sleek, off-grid shelter. Designed to match the vehicle's angular aesthetic, it features a pop-up, weather-resistant tent that deploys from the truck bed for fast setup. Inside, it offers sleeping space for two, mesh windows for airflow, a weatherproof outer shell, and a sturdy integrated frame, perfect for camping in style while staying protected from the elements. Telematics System. The Telematics System is a next-generation safety and connectivity platform designed to prevent collisions and improve road safety through real-time data sharing and control. Featuring 5G connectivity and V2X technology, it supports ultra-fast, low-latency communication, up to 20 gigabits per second and under 1 millisecond latency, with the ability to connect up to 1 million devices per square kilometer. Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust. The Fratzonic Chambered Exhaust is Dodge's innovative system for giving the all-electric Charger Daytona a classic muscle car sound. Blending mechanical and digital tech, it recreates the roar of a V8 using sound chambers, chassis vibrations, and a 600-watt amplifier. The result is a deep, aggressive exhaust note that reacts in real time to driving inputs, delivering an authentic, visceral experience in an electric performance car. The Tyre Collective. The Tyre Collective is an award-winning UK innovation targeting microplastic pollution from tire wear, an often overlooked environmental issue. Created by students from Imperial College London and the Royal College of Art, the device captures microscopic rubber particles released during braking, acceleration, and cornering. Mounted near the tire on the steering knuckle, it intercepts these pollutants before they enter the air or waterways, offering a smart solution to a hidden source of pollution. ClearLidz. ClearLidz is a panoramic, Freedom-style hardtop replacement for Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators. Made from durable, UV-resistant material, it floods the cabin with natural light while shielding passengers from sun, rain, and debris. Designed to deliver an open-air feel without full exposure, it enhances visibility and outdoor immersion. Quick and tool-free to install, ClearLidz offers a bright, airy driving experience and a convenient upgrade for adventure-ready Jeeps. IAG Tailgate Air Compressor System. The IAG Tailgate Air Compressor System is a high-performance, built-in tire inflation solution for 2021 plus Ford Broncos. Mounted on the rear tailgate, it features two quick connect air couplers, one at the spare tire mount and one inside the tailgate, linked to a powerful onboard compressor. Controlled via an interior or OE auxiliary switch, it enables fast, hassle-free inflation after off-road use, making it perfect for drivers who air down for trail traction. CURT Echo. The CURT Echo is a wireless trailer brake controller that pairs with your smartphone via Bluetooth for full control through a custom app. It features a triple-axis accelerometer for smooth braking and supports 2 to 8 brakes across 1 to 4 axles. With real-time monitoring, alerts, and multiple trailer profiles, it's easy to use. The plug-and-play design installs quickly, auto-calibrates, and remains active even during phone calls. Simpson Off-Road Suspension Seats. Simpson off-road suspension seats are designed for comfort and protection during rugged off-road rides. Featuring suspension-style construction, they absorb bumps and impacts to reduce fatigue and body strain. Available as universal seats or benches, they come with laser-cut, model-specific mounting kits for most side-by-sides. With no cutting or drilling needed, installation is quick and easy. Just bolt them in and enjoy improved ride quality, support, and safety on the trail. VAAST G Series 18-liter water tank. The VAAST G Series 18-liter water tank is a tough, portable solution for overlanding and off-grid use. Made from UV-resistant, thick-walled LLDPE, it keeps water safe in harsh conditions. Built-in handles, a soft carry strap, a quick connect tap, and an auto-breather system ensure easy transport and smooth dispensing. Its slim profile mounts easily on roof racks or trays, saving interior space and keeping your gear organized and clean. Gilani Auto Tailgate. The Gilani Auto Tailgate is a smart, motorized upgrade that transforms how you open and close your pickup's tailgate. Operated remotely, it adds convenience and eliminates the need for manual lifting. With soft close functionality and built-in safety sensors, it prevents slamming and accidental closures. The sleek design offers a factory-integrated look, enhancing both style and function. Easy to install and compatible with most modern pickups, it delivers a refined, hassle-free experience. TIKI TILHENGER CP300 Prime. The TIKI TILHENGER CP300 Prime is a rugged trailer designed for harsh northern conditions. Made from hot-dip galvanized sheet metal, it features reinforced two-groove side profiles for added strength and waterproof hubs to extend bearing life. Step-resistant metal fenders and step boards enhance usability. Inside, side post-mounted strap loops secure cargo without using floor space, while exterior hooks offer additional tie-down points for safe, efficient transport and loading. The Smart Shoppacart. The Smart Shoppacart is a foldable, compact shopping trolley that streamlines trips from store to home. Fitting easily in most car boots, it replaces plastic bags and shared supermarket trolleys for a cleaner, more sustainable shopping experience. Its sturdy frame, smooth rolling wheels, and spacious interior make it easy to handle through aisles and parking lots. Practical and eco-friendly, it reduces waste while adding comfort and convenience to grocery runs. Garbage Commander Hook. The Garbage Commander Hook is a patented tool for securely towing garbage cans behind a vehicle. Designed for 96-gallon totes, it holds cans at a 30-degree tilt for better weight distribution and stable transport. A swiveling top rail allows smooth movement over curves and rough driveways. With 4 mounting options, receiver, ball, bolt, and bumper, it fits a variety of vehicles, making trash days safer, easier, and more efficient. Hitch Mount Core Drills. A hitch mount core drill is a mobile, gas-powered drilling system that attaches to a vehicle's hitch receiver for fast, stable core drilling. Using the vehicle's weight for support, it eliminates the need for anchors or lengthy setup. Ideal for concrete, asphalt, and hard surfaces, it's perfect for tasks like sign installation, utility work, and pavement testing, offering precision, portability, and efficiency in one rugged design. That wraps up our list of 25 garage tools. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which tools you rely on, or if there's something we missed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.